Hey Western students, let's talk about the Cavalier Compass program, an easy and immersive way to make the most of your college experience outside of the classroom. The Cavalier Compass helps you track activities across 4 areas: equity and justice, responsibility and ethics, passion, and community and connection. Track your activities in each area and you'll get recognition at graduation. Anyone can join as long as you're enrolled at Western. The best part? You're probably already doing most of these activities, but now you can get credit for them. So what's in it for you? You'll meet new people, discover campus resources you didn't know existed, and learn how to talk about your experiences in ways that'll make employers take notice when you're job hunting. There are some must-do activities for each area, things like attending specific events, meeting with your advisor, completing required trainings, and giving back through service opportunities. Then there are the optional activities. You'll need to complete at least 2 in each area. These include volunteering, checking out leadership events, and getting involved with student organizations. Getting started is super easy. Just log in to Engage with your Western email address, click on Cavalier Compass from your homepage, and you're all set to start tracking your progress. Don't wait. Jump into your Cavalier Compass journey today and make your time at Western count for more.